make Barbie more sporty, treat her to some new accessories, and get her some new plumbing. Turn a car into an organizer and turn an old teddy bear into a backpack. Watch simple and fun life hacks for toys in our new video. Jessica and the blue-eyed girl decided to have a competition. Who can find the best use for old clutter around the house? The first round is all about gloves and mittens. While the blue-eyed girl is fiddling with fabric, Jessica is sketching out a modern design. Cut the tip off of the thumb of an old mitten and cut through the top seam. Also cut along the side, hem the edge. Put the mitten onto Barbie. Turn the collar. Her old mitten turns into a sweater tunic for Barbie. It's an extra modern look with one arm bare. A bold move for a fashionable doll. And the blue-eyed girl has come up with a stylish workout look. She's making great use of her old gloves. Cut thick fabric gloves. On the first glove, trim the top of the thumb and the index and middle fingers. Cut off the ring finger and pinky completely. Cut the middle finger off of the second glove. Trim the tops of the fingers around it and cut the glove lengthwise. Turn the sides of the first glove inside and sew. Put the pants onto Barbie. The second glove turns into a stylish top with a belt. This extra shapely outfit will keep her in shape. Barbie's just missing one item that'll complete her fitness regimen. Jessica is the #1 provider of sports goods for dolls. Cut a workout mat for Barbie out of thin foam rubber for soundproofing. Roll it up and tie it with a cord. Now Barbie has a workout mat. She can start her exercises at home. Let's pump up our biceps with toy dumbbells. Put some beads onto a toothpick. Use pliers to trim the excess. Color the weights with acrylic paint. Barbie loves working out. That's the secret of her amazing figure. And Jessica's doll loves doing cardio. No wonder she has a personal jump rope. Make a jump rope for your doll out of a cord. Attach handles made out of light clay onto the ends. The girls have organized a real workout session for their dolls. Let's train as many plastic muscles as we can. Barbie dolls also lead healthy lifestyles. The girls take Tic Tacs and a piece of felt out of the box. Yeah, not a very good haul. They have some candies to activate their brain power. Now, they're full of ideas. Let's get to work. Take the label off of a Tic Tac box and cover it with acrylic paint. Cut 2 little belts out of a brown soft foam rubber sheet and glue them onto a rectangular piece of soft pink foam sheet. Decorate the belts with a permanent marker. Attach the foam rubber sheet onto the box to be the top of a backpack. Attach Velcro so it will close. Cut 2 long strips out of a soft foam sheet to be straps and glue them to the backpack. Jessica invented a stylish backpack. And the blue-eyed girl sewed a soft pineapple purse. It'll put Barbie in a fruity mood. Mark a circle on a piece of yellow felt. Draw a cell and cut it out. Use a hole puncher to make openings along the hole outline. Cut pineapple leaves out of green felt and glue them between the openings. Work a cord through and tie the purse shut. The dolls are so happy about their accessories. Even a doll skateboard will fit into this stylish backpack from the Tic Tac collection. Let's ride! This bright bag and backpack will make these Barbies the queens of street style. The girls are having a day dedicated to beauty. Why not treat their doll to a session at a hair salon? Jessica has an upgraded Barbie in her hands, though the doll was broken not long ago. Barbie lost her head, has messy hair, and looks bad. Let's fix it up! Soak the doll's tangled hair in fabric softener for 4 to 5 hours. Use a hairbrush to comb out the knots. Afterwards, wash out the softener with water and blow dry the hair. Separate a few strands of hair and color them with markers. Brush the hair and blow dry it to set the color. Put the wire into the broken neck, hooking the fastening from the inside. Pull up the wire. Thread a button of the appropriate size. Pull it up again and cut off the excess wire. Put on the head. Barbie got her hair blown out and colored, and she looks amazing! Barbie doesn't have her own room, but she has an empty shelf all to herself. How should she decorate it? Here's an idea. For starters, let's personalize her shelf. Glue wooden coffee stirrers together on perpendicular sticks. Use Elmer's glue. Make 3 of these pieces and glue them with their edges overlapping to make a long wall. Let's make 3 of these walls and 2 more small pieces for the base and lid. Trim the walls on one side. Coat all these pieces with pink acrylic paint. Hot glue them together to make a little wardrobe. Bend paper clips to make clothing hangers. Put a plastic stick into the closet. Hang up the hangers.